Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Instagram. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So in order to deactivate your account, head over and click right here on your profile icon in the bottom. Then from in there, head over and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Then click on this account center. Once you have clicked on that, this will load in order to show you the Meta Account Center. So also take note that this may take some time in order for this to show. So you can see right here my Meta Account Center. So what you can do in that case is to just head over and scroll down until you can see right here this personal details. So from in there, head over and click on this account ownership and control. And then from in there, just choose the deactivation or deletion. Now from in there, just choose your Instagram account on this list. Now that we have chosen this, just choose the deactivate account option and then continue from in there. Now, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and then put your password, and then from in there, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.